Do you want to know how to create the cinematic frame for your video? It is pretty easy to do, and you can do it right on Capcut, the free version. Yeah, let's go. Now I'm on Capcut PC, but you can do it as well on mobile version of Capcut. Just do the same process. All we're gonna need is a black background. You can just go on Google, type in black background, and download the picture. First thing you're gonna do is drag your black background on top of your clip. This is my black background and this is my clip. Make it longer. Next thing, we're gonna select the black background and go over to mask and select the rectangle tool. And now we're gonna click invert to invert the mask and resize it. Now for the width, we're gonna type 1950. And for the height, we're gonna type in 1900 like this. And now we already got our mask, okay? Now we're just gonna get those corners around it. Alright, so we're going here and just type in 10 for the round corners. And for the feeder is the faded effect of the mask. If you like it straight, just leave it at 0. But me, I think it's pretty nice with a little bit of fade, so I'm gonna put it on 1. Now let's go over the clip. We're gonna resize the clip so it can fit in the mask. Okay, now select the clip and go over to basic, and we're gonna rescale the clip. Okay, so now we're doing here like this, and we're gonna repositioning the clip. So let's just click on the clip and move it. Click and drag. All right, so now we're good. And yes, we did it. Here's the result. Beautiful. That's it, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope it was helpful for you. See you to the next one. Peace.